Hello everyone. Okay, so in order to complete this assignment, the LRC/WRC requirement, you're going to go ahead and utilize the Learning Resource Center, which is the LRC, or the Writing and Reading Center, which is the WRC. Both of these can be accessed on campus. They are in the library, and specifically the Writing and Reading Center is in Library 110. But if you cannot make it to campus and you choose to do the online, you can utilize this resource online. All of you already added the LRC tile to your dashboard. That was a previous assignment. So having added the LRC tile to your dashboard, you now have access to these services online. So directions. For this assignment, you're going to watch the video. I'm going to put it right here, the one I'm creating right now. And then what you're going to do is you have three options for this assignment. You may either join a workshop. Usually around week 3 of the semester, they create or publish a calendar of the various workshops that they have available. So somewhere around week 3 or so, you might want to look out to see if there are workshops available in order to apply it to this assignment. Another option is tutoring. Again, you can do that in person or online. And then the third option is what's called the DLA, which is the Directed Learning Activity. That being said, please be very careful on the DLAs. First off, you can only choose these two DLAs. There are many directed learning activities, but for our class, your only option is to do either the adding style to your writing or the parallelism DLA. That's it. Those are your two options. And if you are to do a DLA, you need to make sure that you be careful to complete it well in advance of when this assignment is due, because you have to wait for the professor to grade it, and then you're going to submit proof. So it takes a longer process. Similarly, the workshop is something that you have to schedule, and it's a certain timeline. The tutoring is quite open, that you can get a variety of times. So what are you going to do to complete the assignment is submit proof. So once you've done a workshop, or you've gone and seen a tutor, or you've done the DLA and it's been graded and it's been given back to you, you then need to submit proof that you've done all of that. So your proof is you're going to go ahead, if you do the workshop, provide a picture of your completed workshop certificate, which you get at the end. If you did tutoring, there's a form that they fill out, so make sure you ask the tutor for that form. You're going to submit a picture of the form. Or if you did a DLA, you're going to submit a picture of the feedback, not the DLA. I want you just to submit the picture of the feedback that the professor gives you. Okay? So if you do all of that, then you will earn full credit. If you don't do any of that, then it's no credit at all. It's an all or nothing. Let me just show you how to go ahead and access the workshop, the tutoring, or the DLAs. So once you have added to your dashboard the LRC tile, this is the home page that shows up. Let me get the student view. This is the home page that shows up for the LRC tile. It shows you the various tutoring time frames when they're available, both face-to-face as well as online. It's often drop-in tutoring, meaning you don't have to make an appointment, although if you want an appointment, you can go ahead and schedule an appointment. That's up to you. And so you can make that appointment if you wish, but like I said, it is available to drop in. You could just walk in and get tutoring if you're physically on campus, or you can click on any of the links that are saying that you can join. You just click there. The other option then, like I said, other than the tutoring, is to do the DLAs. So it says click here for the Directed Learning Activities, which is DLA, and that's going to be for an English 1A course. So I'm going to click on that to show you where to go. And this is what pops up. So as I said, there are many DLAs. However, I am only allowing you to choose the ones that I posted. So you can only do the adding style to your writing or the parallelism DLA. That's it. No other option. So please be careful that you choose only those two and none of the other DLAs, because these will not count. I will give you 0 credit for it. Lastly would be the workshop. Again, so they don't provide that material or that information until probably around week 3. So it will show up here. It'll say what the workshops are. Again, everything is accessed on that LRC tile that you've added. If you have any questions, if any of this is confusing, I can walk you through it. So don't worry about that. I can show you how to do the process. And remember, for the course, you have to do this twice. There are 2 LRC/WRC requirements. So if you want to do the DLAs, I'm only offering you 2 options on the DLAs, so it will be both of those. Or you can do 1 DLA for the first requirement, and you can do a workshop for the second requirement, or etc. Any blending of that works. I hope that is makes sense, and if you have questions, just talk to me in pronto or come see me during my office hours.